Hi, it's Lee from jawphysio.com.au. Another product that will also make you clench a lot more is change in your medications. So going on to a new medication or coming off a medication, and that can take up to 3 months before your body settles. So really important if you're wanting to decrease your clench reflex, you don't change too much. Try one new thing a month, like the diet changes, reducing your sugar, reducing your caffeine, do it another month. And medications, you're going to have to see for about 3 months before you know whether that medication is influencing your clench reflex. So if you're coming off or weaning off medication, know that it's going to take 3 months and not be too frustrated by that. Also check the packet and see what the side effects are for increased clenching. And also tinnitus. A lot of the anti-inflammatories can also increase your tinnitus and noise in your ears. And you want to know what are the side effects of the medications you're taking. A lot of the antidepressants also, obviously coming on and off those will increase your clench reflex, and also your ADHD medications will greatly increase your clench reflex. So just have a little bit of a read on the side effects and see and have a chat with your GP if there's any better health benefits to eating healthily rather than increasing or going on to medications. Always try your healthy options first. And the biggest helps that I hear from the naturopaths and the nutritionists and dietitians is having your 4 to 6 cups of vegetables a day, no processed food, no fizzy drinks, and really reduce your sugar intake. So that's including your complex sugars, decreasing the amount of pasta and rice you're having, and really increase those fruits and vegetables, and even better if you can grow them yourself. Thanks.